Do you want to live like a king or a queen in this beautiful palace? Check it out. Welcome to our latest YouTube video, showcasing the most luxury properties here in the Costa Blanca. This villa is a palace. It has 5,000 square meters of plot, 650 square meters built, 6 bedrooms and 6 bathrooms. And the garden and swimming pool is unique. Do you want to feel like a king? Keep watching. Coming up this beautiful driveway, we've got these plants here on the side. Here on the left, we've got these really tall pine trees. Down here, they've made like a playground for kids with a swing. There's also orange trees and lemon trees I can see. Over here on the right, there is parking space for 4 cars. And more ahead, there is a garage. Just look at this palace behind me. We have this beautiful garden, really well maintained. And then just look over here. I'm half British, so I would be here every single morning having my cup of tea with milk and sugar. This home is perfect. If you would like to feel like a king or like a queen, this is your home. Look at this pool, how big it is. What a unique shape it has. We have enough space here around to sunbathe, to be with the family and kids and friends. We have this unique bridge with these beautiful statues next to me, the lions, the mermaids are incredible. This side of the terrace is the place to come and have your lunch and your dinner. You have the barbecue area, nice pergola, table and chairs, the entrance to the kitchen, and from here we have views to the whole plot. And now we go to the entrance of the home. I'm excited to show you this home. It just feels like a castle coming in with this wooden door. We have these wooden bigas. On the right hand side there is an office and a toilet. And coming into here, look how spectacular this is. With these tall ceilings and these 2 staircases going up to the bedroom. Look at this spacious living room. Got these beautiful chandeliers. Like I said before, you have these great big wooden bigas, air conditioning, and then coming over here just gives me a cozy feeling. I can already imagine in Christmas being here with all of the family, the fireplace turned on, watching some TV, and just with that Christmassy feeling here. I love it. So we walk into the place where we cook all of our meals. This place has all of the appliances necessary. It has been completely refurbished. As you can see, it has also floor heating and 2 access to the terrace. It's important in Spain to go outside to the sun, and a laundry room over on the other side. I love the style of the 2 staircases coming up. It feels like you're walking into a palace. Let's see the bedrooms. Both of the bedrooms upstairs have their own ensuite bathroom, big implanted wardrobe. The balcony looking to the beautiful views to the garden. I thought that's the special thing of this home. So this is the master bedroom, like I said before. Ensuite bathroom, implanted wardrobe, air conditioning. It also has radiators, but look where it takes you to. Coming out from the door behind me, you come out to this terrace. You can go straight to the apartments and look at the views that you have from here. I'll be a mountain, but look at your garden, how big and spacious and colourful it is. The layout is really good of this home because you have the main bit on the right hand side, but then on the left, completely separated, there is the 3 guest bedrooms and they all have their own entrance. From the swimming pool, we're gonna go to one of my favorite places where I would spend a lot of time. Follow me on this pathway. Look at this cute chill out area. Nice place to relax. There's a fireplace, wooden bigas, kitchen. From here we can also see the swimming pool and the playground at the bottom, and we have a sauna. If you are interested in more properties like this, just click it in the link below and that'll help you out. Or check this playlist out of all of the properties in Altea. Or check this one out, where they have the most luxury properties here in the Costa Blanca. I'll see you in the next video.